Alright, so today I'll be making a video on how to change out the screen on a 15.6 inch HP Omen. I believe it's 2016 model. As you can see, there's a nice crack there. It's not too bad, it just got kind of annoying. It'd be nice to have a nice new screen for school. New screen came in and it looks pretty darn nice. It looks maybe even nicer than the new one. Came in a reasonable amount of time. Very well packaged. So no complaints there. All this came from laptopscreens.com, and basically I'm doing this video to get a few bucks back. It said you post it online, we'll give you $20 refund. So I'm gonna start by turning it off, powering it down, then we'll get to it. Okay, so I already kind of popped this up a little bit, but you just want to go around the outside and pop up all around the outside. Get this guy off. Yeah, like so. It'll be a little tough the first time you take it off, but don't be afraid, it won't break it. I'm just using the screwdriver just to get them just a little bit pried up. That's what happens when you have fat fingers. Don't mind how dirty my old screen is. Get in there. There's a sticky double-sided tape type of deal under behind it, so I don't know if that's something that I'll have to put back on there, but we'll kind of play it by ear once it's completely off. Okay, so now that that's off, you can just set that aside. There should be 4 screws holding this guy down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just go ahead and grab a small screwdriver. Hopefully I have one here. And just go ahead and get that guy out of there. Screws are extremely small, so don't lose them. Last but not least, this guy should just come right out of there, like so. And then basically you just want to lay this down on the keyboard. Can't really see it, but just go ahead and lay it down on the keyboard right here. Just lay it straight down. Then you've got a connector back here, which gives you your power and all that jazz. So go ahead and remove the tape, I believe. Peel this tape up here. That should allow you to remove the connector there. So go ahead and set this screen aside. Take your new one, put it in the same spot. And I apologize there, that's a little bit better review. So we can go ahead and take this guy, plug it back in there. Make sure it's all the way in. Here's that's in there. I'm going to use the tape again to hold it in there. Same as before. Just keep it similar. And then go ahead and get this guy lined back up. Looks like it's got some guide pins here next to the screws. So makes it kind of easy to line up. There's one right next to every single screw. So just get that, make sure it's over the guide pin before you start putting your screws in. And then go ahead and take your screws and start throwing them back in there. For anybody out there that's never done anything like this before, I have never done anything like this before. That's pretty darn simple. So don't be afraid to do it. It's all about saving yourself a buck. Make sure they're snug. This one back in there. And then before we throw on the cover, I'd probably say go ahead and make sure that it actually works still. We're gonna power it up again, and you can take off the little screen protector. Or you can leave it on. It might not be a bad idea to leave it on, to be honest. There we go. Now we're going up. Look at that. Good as new. Alright guys, just go ahead and throw on that. Just go ahead and throw this guy back on there, and she'll be good as new. Alright, thanks for watching.